Did you know that waking up with a bloated stomach might not be just about an empty stomach? It's true. That tight, uncomfortable feeling can stem from various factors, from what you eat to how you sleep. But don't worry, you don't have to start your day feeling like a puffed-up pufferfish. We're going to dive into practical, easy-to-follow tips to help you banish that morning bloat and start your day feeling light and energized. And stick around because I've got a special bonus tip at the end, one that you probably haven't heard before. Now let's uncover the common culprits behind morning bloating and how simple changes can make a world of difference. Before we jump into solutions, let's unmask the common culprits behind that morning bloat. Often it's not just one thing, but a combination of factors. One major culprit is eating a large, heavy meal close to bedtime. Our digestive system slows down as we sleep, making it harder to process a big meal efficiently. This can lead to gas, bloating, and that I ate too much feeling in the morning. Another common cause is food sensitivities. Gluten, dairy, and certain FODMAPs, fermentable carbohydrates, are known to trigger bloating in many people. And let's not forget about dehydration. When we're dehydrated, our bodies hold on to water, leading to that puffy feeling. Now that we know the enemies, let's equip ourselves with the knowledge to combat them. One of the simplest yet most effective ways to beat morning bloat is by starting your day with hydration. Think of it as giving your digestive system a refreshing wake-up call. Drinking a large glass of warm water with a squeeze of lemon first thing in the morning can help flush out toxins, kickstart your metabolism, and reduce water retention. Herbal teas like peppermint or ginger are also excellent choices. Peppermint can soothe the digestive tract, while ginger aids digestion and reduces inflammation. Remember, consistent hydration throughout the day is crucial. Keep a refillable water bottle handy and sip on water regularly. Section 4. Mindful meals. Chew your way to a flatter belly. We've all been there, inhaling our food in a rush. But did you know that eating too quickly can contribute to bloating? When we eat fast, we tend to swallow air, leading to gas buildup in our digestive system. Chewing our food thoroughly, on the other hand, breaks it down into smaller particles, making it easier to digest. Aim for at least 20 chews per bite and put your fork down between bites. This mindful eating practice not only aids digestion, but also allows you to savor your food and recognize fullness cues. Remember, a happy gut starts with mindful eating habits. Section 5. Movement matters. Get your gut going. Physical activity isn't just good for your overall health, it also works wonders for your digestion. Engaging in light exercise like a brisk walk, yoga, or stretching can help stimulate bowel movements, reduce gas, and alleviate bloating. Even a short 15-minute walk after meals can make a noticeable difference. Movement helps to move food through your digestive tract, preventing it from sitting in your stomach and causing discomfort. Make it a habit to incorporate some form of movement into your daily routine, and your gut will thank you for it. Section 6. The power of probiotics, tiny helpers for a happy gut. Probiotics, the good bacteria that reside in our gut, play a vital role in digestion and overall gut health. Consuming probiotic-rich foods like yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, and kimchi can help restore the balance of good bacteria in your gut, promoting healthy digestion and reducing bloating. You can also consider taking a daily probiotic supplement to give your gut an extra boost of beneficial bacteria. Remember, a healthy gut is a happy gut, and probiotics are your allies in achieving that. Section 7. Bonus tip, a soothing elixir for morning bloating. Remember that bonus tip I promised? Well, here it is. Start your day with a cup of warm water infused with a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar contains enzymes that aid digestion and help regulate the pH balance in your stomach. This simple elixir can work wonders in reducing bloating and promoting a healthy digestive system. Remember to consult your doctor before incorporating apple cider vinegar into your diet, especially if you have any underlying health conditions. So there you have it. Practical, easy-to-implement strategies to combat morning bloat and reclaim your mornings. From hydration and mindful eating to movement and the power of probiotics, simple changes can make a world of difference. And with that bonus tip of apple cider vinegar, you're well on your way to a happier, flatter tummy each morning.